Hello and welcome to Science Monitor, your favorite weekly program on science, technology, invention and innovation. I'm Aishwarya Kapoor with you. In today's episode, we will talk about the inauguration of Combination Devices Block as a Center of Excellence at Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute, and how the device developed by Indian researchers will be helpful in cost-effective and quick screening of disease like cancer. There'll be lots more science news, but let's begin with the headlines. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated the Combination Devices Block at Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute. This Center of Excellence will make the nation self-reliant by developing medical devices. The Silver Jubilee event of Approv Vigyan Mela concluded in Nagpur. For the last 25 years, this yearly event has been communicating science among school children. Beginning of the era of steel roads in the country, the technology of CSIR Central Road Research Institute has given a new alternate, economical, better quality and all-weather durable roads will be constructed from steel slag. And simple screening device developed for early detection of cancer. Researchers at IITRoorkee developed a cost-effective solution to diagnose cancer at an early stage. And now the news in detail. Recently, a Combination Devices Block was inaugurated at Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram. The block will serve as a center of excellence for the development of pharmaceuticals and medical devices. The instrument block was inaugurated by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. Here is a Science Monitor report.
The Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, located in Thiruvananthapuram, is an institute of national importance for research and development in the field of medicine under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The institute has been doing research and development work in the area of pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, the institute developed several economical and accurate solutions and dedicated them to the nation. Moving a step ahead now, a separate combination device block has been established at the institute. The block was recently inaugurated by the Union Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Speaking on the occasion, the Union Minister said that India has now joined the top 5 countries in the world in terms of manufacturing life-saving medical devices, which are quite cost-efficient. The new device block will further strengthen the institute's commitment in this direction.
I also feel personally gladdened because incidentally, Sri Chitra is possibly the only major institute from the medical field which happens to be outside the purview of Health Ministry and affiliated with the Ministry of Science and Technology. But what is more gratifying is that you have over the years successfully, as Shri Shashi Tharoor was rightly mentioning, you have over the years successfully created a number of new models in the field of medical management, medical research, which have been emulated even by some of the leading institutes under the Health Ministry. And therefore, you have actually lived up to your reputation of being known as the Center of Excellence, as was being mentioned.
The combination device block at the institute is a perfect example of the convergence of pharmaceuticals and medical devices. The facility is expected to help develop cost-effective and precise solutions to suit the upcoming needs. This block will facilitate testing and R&D operations of all devices in line with international standards. This will also raise Indian exports along with ensuring the availability of better medical equipment for patient care in the country. The need of the hour is that such facilities are institutionalized.
In this is also added the development of the combination devices block that will permit the coming together of different categories of technologies to achieve the common goal of translation of biomedical products for the country. This building, housed in the biomedical technology wing, will certainly enhance the cooperation between diverse biomedical technologies, biomedical technology and medicine, technology and industry, and medical technology and education.
With the Government of India increasingly emphasizing R&D to ensure ease of living, the establishment of facilities like the Combined Device Block can help achieve the targets faster. Technologies such as artificial heart valves, hydrocephalus shunts, oxygenators, and drug-eluting intrauterine devices are being manufactured by the institute. Besides India, such devices are currently manufactured only in the United States, Japan, Brazil, and China. Manufacturing these world-class affordable medical devices indigenously is not only catering for the needs of Indian patients, but also reflects the vision of becoming self-reliant in producing medical devices.
Recently, the prestigious Approv Vigyan Mela was organized in Nagpur. This time it was the Silver Jubilee Festival as the event completed 25 years, which has been communicating science among school students since 1998. Organized under the aegis of Association for Research and Training in Basic Science Education, Nagpur Municipal Corporation and Vigyan Prasar, a large number of students, teachers and science communicators participated in this unique science festival. A Science Monitor report on the event.
Approv Vigyan Mela once again enthralled the young generation and general audience with its simple and easy science demonstrations. Being the Silver Jubilee year, the fair held in Nagpur was different and saw the participation of a large number of school students, teachers and science communicators over almost a week. The Approv Vigyan Mela was started in 1998 by the Association for Research and Training in Basic Science Education, Nagpur, in collaboration with the city's municipal corporation. The objective was to introduce the children of schools under the municipality to the thrills of science and to inculcate interest in science and technology so that their creativity can be awakened. This would help develop future scientists among students from all strata of society. For the past 25 years, the fair has been working towards this goal through various activities, workshops and competitions. The key role in this endeavor is played by Vigyan Prasar, an autonomous organization of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India.
So in such a place where there's a lot that is being done, where there's an interface between scientists and society being created, all that is happening in the lab is now made easily available to the society through something which is called the scientific social responsibility, ensures that more and more propagation of all of this is happening. I once again want to congratulate and thank Suresh Agrawalji and Brahmanand Swainji for having organized this Approv Vigyan Mela once again post-COVID. And with this, I really want to invoke the hidden science communicator in each one of us to ensure that we have a scientific social responsibility towards the masses.
The objective of Approv Vigyan Mela is to spread awareness about scientific temperament amongst youngsters. And how do we spread the scientific temperament amongst the youngsters? We try to bring into the scientific curriculum simplicity. The word science sometimes, it creates some kind of an aura in young minds that it is very complex and very difficult to understand. So science is brought to them in a very simple manner.
During the science fair, in addition to the projects showcased by the school students, various science communicators from across the country displayed simple science experiments that amazed the audience. Apart from this, a book exhibition was also organized in which books related to scientists and various fields of science were on display. Another major attraction was a science quiz competition for children organized by Vigyan Prasar. About 128 students from 32 schools participated in this quiz competition.
हमने विभिन्न आयोजन इस विज्ञान मेले में किए हैं, चाहे वो विज्ञान की किताबों का एक्टिविटी किट का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हो और चाहे वो एक विज्ञान क्यूज हो, विज्ञान प्रसार के वैज्ञानिकों ने मिलके यहाँ के बच्चों के लिए एक वैज्ञानिक प्रश्नोत्तरी कार्यक्रम जिसे जिज्ञासा साइंस क्यूज कहा जा रहा है उसमें आयोजित किया और ये बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इस क्यूज में पार्टिसिपेट किया।
इसमें लगभग 100 से अधिक प्रयोग 200 से अधिक बच्चे बता रहे हैं और ये सारे बच्चे नागपुर महानगर पालिका की शालाओं के हैं। प्रयोगों की खासियत है कि ये घरेलू सामग्री से बने हैं, लगभग बिना लागत के, और ये सारे प्रयोग क्लासरूम में टीचिंग एड के रूप में इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं।
The Silver Jubilee of the Science Fair was celebrated on 20th of November, which was the last day of the fair. Several eminent personalities were present on the occasion. 40 science communicators from different states who made significant contributions to science and communication were felicitated on the occasion. Apart from this, prizes were also given to individual students and schools who won the various competitions. It should be noted that Apurva Science Fair has become an important event related to promoting science among the young generation, which will continue to help demonstrate country's creativity and talent.
CSIR Central Road Research Institute had developed a technology to use steel slag in road construction. Recently, in collaboration with ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel Plant under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, 1.2 kilometers long 6-lane road has been constructed at Hazira Port, Surat. Now this project is being taken forward, under which 4 major steel industries of the country have joined hands to develop steel slag aggregates for road construction. A Science Monitor report on the project.
New Delhi-based CSIR, Central Road Research Institute, is working towards making the country's road network strong, economical and environment-friendly. In this series, at the call of ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, CSIR-CRRI developed the technology of road construction with steel slag. And about 1 lakh tons of processed steel slag aggregate has been developed at Hazira Steel Plant under the guidance of CRRI. Using these, 1.2 kilometers long 6-lane bituminous road was constructed at Hazira Port Road, Surat, which is in use for more than a year. The construction cost of this road is 30% less than that of a conventional road, while its capacity is 3 to 4 times more than the conventional road. And roads made of this material can be effective in all weather conditions.
Since its inception, it has been very active in the design, construction and maintenance of roads in the country. Besides this, it has also developed technologies for the usage of marginal materials and steel slags for the construction of the roads. Steel slag is a major waste of steel industries. Currently, the total steel slag of different steel industries is around 19 million tons, which is expected to grow to 60 million tons per year in the year 2030. So CSIR-CRRI has taken up this R&D project sponsored by Ministry of Steel along with 4 industrial partners, ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Rashtriya Ispat Limited, to develop steel slag road technology.
India, being the second largest steel producer in the world, produces 18.5 million tons of steel slag annually, the disposal of which is a challenge in itself. This CSIR-CRRI technology supports the government's Waste to Wealth campaign, by which steel waste can be put to positive use. Under this project, 4 major steel industries in India, ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India, Tata Steel, JSW Steel and Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited are participating as industrial partners to cater to the utilization of steel slag in road construction. Under this, the work of construction of steel slag road in Itanagar area of Arunachal Pradesh has been taken by the Border Roads Organization.
Produce 1 ton steel around 150 to 200 kg steel slag is generated as a solid waste. This material, due to several intrinsic challenges such as volumetric expansion, vesicular structure, possibility of heavy metal leaching and the high pH leachates and the probability of corrosion, cannot be directly utilized for road construction activity purpose. So CSIR-CRRI customized steel slag valorization technology addresses all these challenges and convert this particular material as a good quality road making aggregate, which is exhibiting superior mechanical properties than conventional igneous rock group aggregate obtained through crushing in different localities.
Steel slag technology is giving India a better option apart from conventional materials, due to which the extraction of land resources along with waste disposal can also be prevented. Also, quality and durable roads and airstrips can be constructed in a cost-effective manner. CRRI is also now working on the possibilities of using steel slag as an alternative to concrete ballast for Indian Railways.
Researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee have developed a device to detect cancer at a very early stage. The special device is quite cost-effective and works without any complex clinical technique. Developed under research project of DST and DBT, the device can ease cancer screening even in inaccessible remote areas of the country. Here is a Science Monitor report on the device.
Cancer is a fatal disease, for which there is still doubt about its complete treatment in a medical world. There is a special reason for this. Usually this disease is detected at later stages, and by then, cancer has already spread in the body. Although there are various methods of cancer screening, these are either time-consuming or very expensive and are not available everywhere. Now, a research team from the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee has developed a cancer detection device that can detect cancer only by human breathing. The person using it only has to blow in this device called BLO detector, that is, breast, lung and oral detector, after which the change of colors in the device tells whether the person is infected with cancer or not. Breast cancer, oral cancer and lung cancer can be detected by this device.
We have developed one cancer detector which can actually detect cancer very early. So technique is very simple. Person has to blow into that small device, and that will show a color change if the patient is having a cancer. So 3 types of cancer can be detected in that. Breast cancer, lung cancer and oral cancer. And the main point is this technology is very cost effective, very easily affordable. Anybody can use it, no special technology required for it. And that's why it can be given to anybody, even in remote places. So for early diagnosis of these 3 types of cancers.
The speciality of this device is that it can detect cancer even at a very early stage. Second, it is a very economical and easily portable solution, and it does not require special expertise which can be used by people themselves. Initial clinical trials of this device have been carried out at Cancer Research Institute, Dehradun, in which its sensitivity was found to be 96.11% and accuracy was 94.67%. This Made in India device by Indian researchers can easily support cancer screening, especially in rural areas where laboratory-based tests are scarcely available. This device can also be used for cancer screening of large population.
This product was developed by a team of 3 professors, myself and Professor Partha Rai from BSB of IITRoorkee and Professor Debrupal Lahiri from same department, Metallurgy and Materials Engineering. And for doing research in our labs, we continuously get support from different government and other funding agencies. For example, DST, DBT, ICMR, DRDO and Space Research, all those funding agencies. So these actually help us a lot to perform these kind of research works.
The technology has now been transferred to Tata Steel for manufacturing the device and making it available in the market after further necessary trials. The research project, supported by Government of India organizations like the Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology and ICMR, has helped in the development of this low-cost device. This innovative device, so developed, will take India a step ahead in the medical field.
And now let's have a quick look at some other developments that have made news in the field of science and technology in our segment Science Express.
Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO recently launched Space Curiosity Portal. This is an online study course through which students can study the universe and space science comfortably, even from their homes. Students interested in space science can become a part of this study program by registering themselves on the website jigyasa.iirs.gov.in, issued by ISRO. Under this program, students can learn about space science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Online courses will be made available on this virtual platform as per the interest of the students. There are a total of 7 online courses in the Space Curiosity program, which have been developed with 4 knowledge partners. So far, 500 people have joined this program. This is the first of its kind platform on which students from all over the country have been given an opportunity to understand the activities of ISRO and satisfy their curiosity related to space. This step of ISRO will not only meet the need of human resources in the rapidly growing space sector in the country, but also provide better academic knowledge to the students studying in various institutes. A study by a research team from the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, has found long-term brain abnormalities in patients who have recovered from COVID-19. The research team studied the brain of COVID patients for 6 months after their recovery with a special type of MRI. MRI results showed that patients who had recovered from COVID-19 had significantly higher sensitivity indicators in the frontal lobe and brain stem, a brain region associated with fatigue, insomnia, anxiety, depression, headache, and cognitive problems compared to healthy people. The researchers also observed significant differences in the right side of the ventral diencephalon region of the brain stem. This region is associated with many important physiological functions, including coordinating with the endocrine system to release hormones, relaying sensory and motor signals to the cerebral cortex, and regulating circadian rhythms. This study points to serious long-term complications that can occur even months after recovering from corona infection.
That is all in today's edition of Science Monitor. Keep sending your feedback and suggestions through email. Our email ID is indiascience@vigyanprasar.gov.in. You can also write into us at Vigyan Prasar, A50, Sector 62, Noida 201309, Uttar Pradesh. So we'll take your leave now. See you again next week. Till then, stay safe and think scientifically. Bye for now.